Good afternoon, friend. Myself is Rohit Amal Kokate, and today's technical topic is urinary system. So, the what is the urinary system? The urinary system is the made up of the kidneys, ureters, bladders, and urethra. The nephron and the urinary modifications of the nephrodium is the kidney functions units, and waste is filled from the bloods and collapse at the urine into the kidneys. The urine level in the kidneys are ureters and collects from the bladder. The bladders are distanced to the stores and evaluately leaves through the urethra. So the first organ of the urinary system, that is the kidney. So the kidney are the organs that serve several essential regulatory roles in the most of the animals, including the vertebrates and some invertebrates. They are the essentials in the urinary systems and also the homeopathic functions, such as the regulating the electrolytes, maintaining and of the acid base balance, and regulating the blood pressures via maintaining the salts and water balance. They are served as the body as the natural filters of the bodies and remove the waste from are the diverted to the urinary bladders, and in producing the urine the kidney executes the wastes as such as the urea and ammonia, and they are also responsible for the reabsorptions of the waters, glucose, and amino acids. The kidney is produced from the hormones including carotenoids and erythropoietins and the enzyme, that is the renin. Okay, that located at the rear of the abdominal cavity in the retroperitoneums. The kidneys are receives the blood from the kidneys are receives the blood from the renal arteries and drain into the renal veins. Each kidney exceeds the urea into the ureters itself, the paired structure of the empties and the urinary bladders. Then second is the nephron. What is the nephron? Okay, the nephron is consist of the cup shaped capsules containing the capillaries and the glucometers and a long renal tube. The blood flow into the kidney through the renal arteries, and which are a branch into the capillaries associated with the glomerulus capsules. The arterial pressure causes the waters and the solutes from the bloods and filters into the capsules, fluids through the praxominal tubes. Okay, then the which is included in the roof of the henus into the distal tubules, and distal tubules empires with the including the loop of the henus and into the distal tube. The distal tube is the empties into the collecting ducts. The fluids and solutes is regulate the is tube and tubules is returning, sorry, it is returning to the capillaries that surrounded the nephron tubes. Okay, the nephron has the three functions. There are main three functions, that is a glomerulus filtrations of the water and solutes from the solutes from the bloods, tubule reabsorptions of the water and consider the molecules as the blood, then tubule secretions ions other waste products surrounded capillaries into the distal tube. Okay, so nephron filters the 125 ml of the body per minute, filtering the entire body fluids components 60 times each day, and in the 24 hours period nephrons produce 180 liters of the filtrates, of which 178.5 liters is reabsorbed, and remaining 1.5 liter is urine. So the functions of the kidney. The kidney perform a number of homeostatic functions, maintaining the volume of the extracellular fluid, maintaining the ion balance of the extracellular fluids, maintaining the ion balance maintaining the pH and osmotic concentrations of the extracellular fluids, excrete the toxic metabolites by a produce such as the ureas, ammonias, and the uric acids. So There are the various parts such as the ureters, urinary bladders, and the urethra, that are the most used powerful organs of the urinary system. Okay, so the ureters are the muscular duct that propel urine from the kidney to the urinary bladders. The urinary bladders is the organ of the collecting urine excreted by the kidney prior to the disposal into the urinations, and the urethra is the tube which consert the urine bladder out to the outside of the body. In humans, the urethra has excretory functions into the both gender to the passes. That is the urinary system. Thank you.